Stop.
You lying. That's on your daughter. You pregnant with you lying.
Why is she knocking stuff down?
I can't go on a chair. I didn't.
On July 14th, 2023, officers responded to a distressed call from a woman reporting her daughter had broken a window during a heated argument at their residence.
Like she always do, big bad wolf. So I said, bye, Mari.
I'm talking to her, and I'll talk to you in a second.
I got my mother on the phone as a witness right now.
I don't care.
Anyway, so I said, well, bye, Mari, have a good day. So as she coming out this way, she knocking stuff off our kitchen table.
No, I will bust your with a while you ride your line.
Stop.
You lying. That's on your daughter. You pregnant with you lying.
Why is she knocking stuff down?
I can't go on a chair. I didn't.
Upon arrival, the officers approached the mother, who proceeded to explain the situation. However, tension escalated, leading to the woman's detainment due to her aggressive behavior. One of the officers conducted a search of her belongings.
I go on a chair. I didn't do.
I'm gonna give you a chance to tell me what happened.
She lying. I'm not trying to hear none of that. Ain't finna lock me up or press charge. Stop talking to me. Do it then. Do it. Tell him right now so I can get locked up. Do it.
Anyway,
Yelling.
my grandmother talking to me. Grandma, she not listening. She big bad wolf.
Hey!
You're lying.
She has a right to her story.
So anyway, my husband asked her why
Just
she knocking stuff
Just a second.
over.
I did knock things over. I literally walking. The chair is right there. My leg hit the chair.
Hey.
I did not over the chair.
Stop.
What you looking at? You.
Stop.
Stutter. I didn't stop.
As the investigation unfolded, the woman's behavior grew increasingly confrontational, refusing to cooperate with the officers or heed their instructions.
I didn't stutter. Y'all lying. I didn't knock over shit.
Your ass did knock over. And then your ass got mad when she told you to get out of our house and you broke the window.
Cause she pushing me out. I can walk out on my own. I don't need nobody putting their hands
Go
on me.
over and talk to my partner.
That's the did.
Go
You
over.
pushed me. What are you talking about?
Go over and talk to
Don't
my
touch me, please. I'm not talking to nobody. If y'all ain't finna press charges and take me to jail,
I'm find that out or not?
well, if that's what y'all doing, I'm at 121. Come find me.
Just put her in handcuffs. Come here. Stop resisting.
Who resisting?
You
Who
are.
resisting? I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
Her agitation manifested in a barrage of insults directed not only at the officers, but also at her own family members.
Stop moving your arm.
You're not finna break my shit. What is wrong with you? I'm not resisting. I'm not.
Would you throw her just in the back of the car? I'm going to find out what I got.
Get the off me like that, bro.
Want me to walk with you?
Get off of me like that, bro. Alright, I'm pressing charges on y'all. Let my arm go!
No.
Alright, you got it. You got it. I hope your dad, you in there, broke baby. What's wrong with you, dumb? You can't get to the city. What's wrong with you? I asked you a question.
Have a seat.
Recognizing her unwillingness to engage or comply, the officers made the decision to take her into custody.
I am finna have a seat. Fucking got it, bro! You.
Sit down.
You know what, bitch?
Get you?
I don't know.
I didn't search her yet.
I know. Let her sit in there for a couple minutes. 10 cents. The radio just went weird. I think I got at least criminal damage.
All right.
But I couldn't get a story out. She was yelling and screaming.
All right.
I'll be right.
Despite their efforts, she resisted arrest vehemently, hurling offensive language and physically assaulting the officers. Throughout the journey to the police station, the woman's hostility persisted, creating a volatile atmosphere within the vehicle.
Hey, call the police or what? Man, you and her. The yo, get your car at the shop, broke boy. What's wrong with you? Y'all whole marriage is broke. Ain't that something? How y'all married and y'all both broke? Shit is ridiculously retarded. Could never with me. That's why y'all ass ain't never gonna get blessed a day in your life. You called your mama thinking she finna give y'all $500 to get the car at the shop. She ain't giving y'all shit.
Despite the officer's attempts to defuse the situation, she continued to lash out, blaming them for what she perceived as unjust actions.
What'd you end up with? What's up?
Criminal damage.
Okay.
So, I'm just going to quick snap a picture of the window. Her brush ad broke.
I'm gonna be following Carson's over to the jail here in a few minutes. Can you let the jail staff know we have a combative spitter coming their way?
My hands are swelling. These cuffs are too tight, and I said that.
Well, you're also not stopping spitting and...
Who not stopping spit? I spit on one time. Now stop talking to me, bro.
Stop moving around.
I'm not moving.
Your hands are not swelling.
Yes, they are. I feel it.
Not.
How are you going to tell me what I feel? Thank you. You're not a doctor for police officer.
Go.
Upon arrival at the police station, however, a notable shift occurred in the woman's demeanor. She began to cooperate with the authorities, ceasing her arguments and disruptions.
After confirming the charges and the evidence, the officers proceeded to transport the female to jail.
Step out.
I don't need you to tell me what to do. I'm not talking.
Sometimes this thing works, sometimes it doesn't. How we doing?
What's up?
This young lady is coming to stay with you. So,
Are you gonna be cooperative with us?
Yeah.
Okay.
Y'all look way better than them two.
Okay. What's your name?
I'm Marvin.
What's your last name? Okay. I was gonna say, what's she here for?
criminal damage, resisting, and aggravated battery.
Okay. All right. Are you gonna be a problem for us or anything?
Nope.
Okay.
Let's get it over with.
All right. That's fine.
Take her, I'll go in and start the booking.
There's her property.
Subsequently, the woman was brought before the court, facing a multitude of charges, including criminal damage to property. Resisting or obstructing a peace officer, and aggravated battery on a peace officer. Thank you for viewing the video. We hope you found it informative. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our content for more updates.